Okay, on to question 9. We're given a couple of points in the question. We're given A, B, C and D, and asked to show that this is a parallelogram. So we could even have a little go at plotting what these would look like on a graph, just to satisfy ourselves that this is going to look like a parallelogram. So we go along 2, we go up 1, here's A. We go along 6, we go up 3, here's B. We go along 7, we go up 9, here's C. We go along 3, we go up 7, here's D. This does look very much like a parallelogram. So in order to show it's a parallelogram, we need to think about what fact makes something a parallelogram. In this case, it's the fact that it has two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. So we want this to be parallel to this, and this to be parallel to this. So this question is going to be about gradients. So we need to find some gradients. We'll start off with the gradient AB. So we can find this by doing the difference in the y coordinates over the difference in the x coordinates. So I'll leave those there so they're just on the bottom of the screen. So this is, we're going to do this one here, the B1, take away the A1. So we've got y coordinates on the top, so we've got 3 minus 1 over 6 minus 2, which is 2 over 4, which is 1/2. So AB has the gradient 1/2. If we want this to be a parallelogram, that means that the gradient DC must be the same. So we need to check this and work this out. If we have a look through our coordinate points, this gives us 7 minus 9 over, and then at the bottom we've got 3 minus 4. Sorry, 3 minus 7, which gives us, on the top we have minus 2, on the bottom we have minus 4, and this cancels down to 1/2. It implies parallel. So all we need to do now is check that this also works for A and D and B and C. So A to D, if we look at the coordinates for A to D, we have 7 minus 1 over 3 minus 2, which gives us a gradient of 6 over 1. We also need to do gradient of BC, because this is what's parallel to AD. If we do B and C, we have 9 minus 3 over 7 minus 6, which is 6 over 1. So this is 6 and this is 6, and together parallel. We do actually need to conclude why this works. So as two pairs of parallel sides implies we have a parallelogram, and we're finished.